Hello everyone. So I have Dr. Anusha, VP and Business at Mahindra with me. Ma'am, welcome to the
Thank you.
ITOT. Thank you so much for joining us. Ma'am, just share few insights to our community or the whole agri ecosystem कि लास्ट 20-30 साल में क्या चेंज हुआ है, क्या चैलेंजेस पहले थे और अब क्या आप इंडस्ट्री में एक नया इन्वॉल्वमेंट या कुछ से रिवॉल्यूशन देख।
So I think the trend for mechanization is really increasing because the number of crops that farmers are taking per year, the cropping intensity, all of that is going up,
Right.
and so the duration between crops is decreasing. Right, that's one trend. Other is labor availability. As we know, it's becoming more and more of a problem.
Right.
So getting the work done in the right time, labor is a critical bottleneck. So mechanization helps you with that, right?
True.
And with climate change and you never know when rains will come, getting the work done right time frame is really important. So I think all of these trends are pushing us towards a era where mechanization is really taking off. And I think people are also looking for ways to improve productivity, decrease their effort, right? Because it's very difficult work to be doing this in the field every day. So it seems like the farmer is now ready to adopt much more mechanization.
ट्रू मैम, मतलब जस्ट सिंपल वर्ड्स में जानना चाहूँगा मैम, महिंद्रा का ऐसा क्या जादू है कि सारा एग्री इकोसिस्टम, सारे किसान सब महिंद्रा के फैन हैं। मतलब हमारे पास इतनी क्वेरीज आती हैं, अगर हम महिंद्रा का कुछ भी डालते हैं, महिंद्रा सबसे पावरफुल है। व्हाट्स द यूएसपी?
I think it's a trust. Over many years, we've built this trust with the farmer that we understand their needs, we understand their pain points, and we are there to solve them.
True.
Right? So I think the brand Mahindra invokes trust, right, with
True,
the farmer.
true. मतलब tractor is equivalent to
Mahindra.
Mahindra, what the farmers say.
Yeah.
Ma'am, just a few words, your experience about this ITOT, it's
Yeah.
the 6th edition now.
Yeah.
What do you feel?
Sure.
How this is helping the ecosystem? And what changes or what feedbacks for down the line
Yeah.
you want to see with the ITOT?
I think it's a really fantastic initiative, that you have started because I think it brings some publicity, it brings some spotlight
True.
on our industry. And it's a great way to bring people together. And as you can see, the rains in Bombay, so many people have still come out, right? So it's a great way to bring the industry together
Right.
to celebrate our
Right.
accomplishments and talk about what is next.
True.
And I think it's a very, very well done event. And it's my first time attending. I look forward to attending, many future of events.
We are glad to host.
Yes. And I thank you again, Tractor Junction, for putting this together.